line. Police and EMS are often the first line of response when someone is having a mental health crisis. Tonight, Senator Bill Cassidy says more needs to be done to prepare them.
Cassidy wants to give police more money for proper training. Our Fox 44's Anam Siddiqui joining us now with further details. Anam?
Yeah, Kellyanne and Tabari, Senator Bill Cassidy says this bill would help law enforcement respond more effectively to people with mental health problems. I spoke with the director of the Bridge Center for Hope, who tells me hundreds of their patients come in with the help of police or EMS.
Senator Bill Cassidy says a big part of being in law enforcement is responding to mental health crises, but they often lack resources to help them respond better. Now he's pushing for a bill to give them the tools they need.
Law enforcement officers often have to make up for the deficiencies of our mental health system.
The Bridge Center for Hope is the first adult crisis facility in Louisiana, and it's right here in Baton Rouge. Executive Director Charlotte Claiborne says last year, 41% of their patients came in with the help of law enforcement.
The goal of the Bridge Center for Hope was to be able to act as an alternative to jails and prisons, and also emergency rooms for those who encounter law enforcement.
Cassidy's bill would spend $70 million in annual grants on law enforcement training.
What we need to do is to give the law enforcement officer the tool and the training they need for their safety and for the safety of those in the midst of a mental health crisis.
Claiborne says sometimes police and EMS are the first step in seeking help.
First responders have their own separate entrance. The reason why we did that was because what we know is that we want them to be able to bring them in and then quickly as they possibly can get back onto their duties.
She says any additional training is always good news, especially since their need has escalated since the start of the pandemic.
It's been extremely successful. And I do credit law enforcement and I do credit EMS, all the first responders.
The Bridge Center for Hope does work with the Baton Rouge Police, Sheriff's Office, and EMS to provide hands-on training. I'm Siddiqui, Fox 44 News.